Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are looking at the binomial theorem. We have the question written down. Find the term independent of x in the expansion of open bracket 2x minus 1 over x to the power 10. Here, this is where you abbreviate. This is a, the first term here, which is a it is 2x, then b it is half 1 over x. So now we have to find the term independent. First of all, we have to find the value of r. So let's get started. The value of r, it is found by any r, which is a power n minus r multiplied by b power r. Then here, if you can see, where there's a, we have 2x. We have power 10. This is a. So in which it will be, where this 10, we substitute it to be 10r. Then here where this a, it will be 2x to the power n minus r multiplied by, where this b, we have minus 1 over x and the power r. Then this term here, if you can see in indices, if you have a term like this one, 2x power 2, this can be multiplied, 2 can be simplified into 2 power 2 multiplied by x power 2. So this is the same thing we have here, in which it will be 10r, then we have 2 power n minus r, then multiplied by x power n minus r multiplied by, here where this minus 1 over x, we are going to have minus 1. This is minus 1, if you can see, and a positive of x, because if you multiply negative 1 multiplied by 1 over x, we are going to have minus 1 over x. Then this one power r and this one power r. Then here now, this is where you equate. We only get the powers, because here we have x and here x, so it will be n minus r equals r. Then where this n, we have 10 minus r, which is equals to r. Then 10 equals r plus r, which this one shall be equals to 10 equals to r. Then when you divide both sides by 2, we are going to remain r, it is 5. So now we have find that r, it is 5. Then we are going to substitute into our formula, in which it will be 10 5. We have found that it is 5 here, in which it will be, when you subtract 10 minus 5, we are going to remain with the 2 power 5. Here we are only looking for independent, not independent of x, where x cancels each other, in which here we are going to have 10 5, then 2 power 5, then multiplied by, we are going to only to get the independent, this one here, in which to be minus 1 power 5. Then here we are going to have this one, it is 32, 2 to the power 5, it is 32, multiplied by negative 1, because negative 1 to the power 5, it is negative 1. So multiplied by negative 1, we are going to have 10 5, then minus 32 multiplied by minus 32. Then here now, this is where you expand. You start from 10. This is 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The terms are 5. So you have to divide by the same, which is 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5. And if you multiply what is on top, we are going to have 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6. We are going to have 30,240 divided by 1 here. We have multiplied by minus 32. We divide by 120 multiplied by minus 32. So our answer, when you divide this one 120 into 30240, we are going to have 252 multiplied by 30 minus 32. Then the answer it will be minus 8,064. So this is our independent of x. Thank you for watching. See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that next time you receive a new update.